everybody, today I will be making Cambodian dessert called Nom Lapau. I'm gonna clean my rice 3 times and then let it soak for about maybe 6 hours. So ខ្ញុំលាងកស្អាតហើយខ្ញុំនឹងត្រាំទឹកវា6ម៉ោង Then after that going to cut my kabocha បន្ទាប់មកយើងកាត់ពៅ You're going to remove the seed ហើយយើងខ្វះយកក្រោយវាចេញ Okay, next you're going to pull your kabocha បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំចិតសំបកវាចេញ You're going to clean our pumpkin បន្ទាប់ពីយើងចិតសំបកល្ពៅហើយយើងល្ពៅទៅលាងទឹកឲ្យស្អាត Shred our kabocha. Okay, you can use a food processor to shred this, or you can use a hand like this. But the more you will put the chew, you add chew on the the more brown machine go by. Okay, next we're going to cut and clean our banana leaf. The more you will cut it straight. Soak the banana leaf in hot water for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to clean this twice. Okay, so I already cleaned 1 time already, so now I'm gonna just rinse it. បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំយកទឹកចេកទៅត្រាំទឹកក្តៅ5នាទីហើយខ្ញុំលាងវាឲ្យស្អាត2 ដង So it become a little bit soft. So when you clean it, when you fold the banana leaf, it's easy. ខ្ញុំត្រាំទឹកក្តៅពីព្រោះឲ្យស្លឹកធ្វើឲ្យស្លឹកនឹងវាទន់ហើយពេលយើងវិចទៅវាអត់ពិបាកហើយវាអត់ល្ហែក Okay, once you clean your banana leaf, paper towel, you're gonna wipe it dry, okay? បន្ទាប់ពីលាងស្លឹកចេកហើយខ្ញុំយកกระดาษជូតវាឲ្យស្ងួត Now I'm just gonna drain out the water as much as I can, and I'm gonna put it in the blender. ពីតខ្ញុំត្រាំអង្ករហើយខ្ញុំចាក់ទឹកវាចេញហើយខ្ញុំយកទៅកិនវាឲ្យវាមាត់ I'm going to add in 1 can of coconut milk. ខ្ញុំដាក់ដូង1កំប៉ុង I'm going to add in sugar. ហើយខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករ 1 teaspoon of salt. ហើយខ្ញុំដាក់អំបិល1 ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ Okay, and I'm going to blend this until it become a smoothie. ហើយខ្ញុំកិនអង្ករហ្នឹងឲ្យវាម៉ត់ខាប់ I do this because I don't have rice flour, so I make my own rice flour. បងប្អូនអាចប្រើម្សៅខ្សាយមកកញ្ចប់បានខ្ញុំកិនអង្ករពីព្រោះខ្ញុំអត់មានម្សៅ I do this way because I don't have any rice flour at home. If you have rice flour, you can replace it with 1 package. Now we are ready to mix our kabocha mixture. បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំរៀបចំលាយគ្រឿងល្ពៅរបស់ខ្ញុំ This is a grated coconut. ខ្ញុំប្រើដូងកោសមកកញ្ចប់ And then I'm going to add in my rice flour that I blend with the coconut milk earlier into it. បន្ទាប់ពីនេះខ្ញុំយកម្សៅដែលខ្ញុំកិនហើយស្រេចខ្ញុំចាក់ចូលជាមួយល្ពៅខ្ញុំ Mix all my ingredients together. បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំច្របល់គ្រឿងខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យវាសព្វ Show you how to wrap it. So this is smooth side and this is the kind of bumpy side. So you want to put the mixture on the smooth side. And we're just going to get a big tablespoon, this much or so. Okay, and then you're going to kind of put it down, roll it up like this. It's easier. Okay, and then you're going to fold it to the bottom, just like that. See? go. We're just gonna continue the process. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំរៀបចំវិចនំខ្ញុំដាក់ល្ពៅនៅខាងស្លឹកវារលោងណាហើយខ្ញុំក៏បាត់វាជាពីរអញ្ចឹងហើយបើនៅសល់ស្លឹកខ្ញុំបេះវាចេញហើយខ្ញុំបាត់ពីក្រោមមកហើយបាត់ពីក្រោមម្ដងទៀតអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវនំស្អាតបាត់ see and you just put it in your steamer បន្ទាប់ពីយើងបត់នំហើយយើងដាក់ចូលឆ្នាំងយើងទៅ Okay, now we're ready to steam our kabocha dessert. So, you want to fill your water all the way full. So, I stack mine up together like this. Okay, now we're going to cook this for about 35 to 40 minutes. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំរៀបចំចំហុយនំខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកកន្លះឆ្នាំងហើយដាំវាឲ្យពុះសិនចាំយើងដាក់នំខ្ញុំចំហុយនំនេះ35នាទីទៅ40នាទី My thing is done now. Whoa, look at that. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna let this cool down and then I'll open for you guys to look at. Okay, ឥឡូវនំនឹងឆ្អិនហើយខ្ញុំទៅឲ្យត្រជាក់សិនបាទខ្ញុំបើកវា If you run out of banana leaf or you don't have any banana leaf, you can just put in a glass container like this and you can steam them like what I'm doing right now. បងប្អូនអស់ស្លឹកចេកឬមួយឲ្យមានស្លឹកចេកយើងអាចដាក់ចំហុយនឹងចានទូដូចខ្ញុំនេះដែរ Okay guys, I'm going to open this one right here. See how it look like. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំបើកនំឲ្យបងប្អូនមើល This is how it look like. Sticky. ឥឡូវនំល្ពៅខ្ញុំឆ្អិនហើយវាមានជាតិផ្អែមល្មមហើយស្អិតវាអត់រឹងទេហើយខ្ញុំប្រើតែម្សៅដែលខ្ញុំកិននឹងកសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូខ្ញុំពីដើមដល់ចប់ Thank you everybody for watching my video from the beginning to the end and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.